Alright, so from the time that I was gone, I realized that, alright, so far I'm right, but I was going off the path a little right there. So basically, what we need to know is px and py, obviously, f. And we already know that pxf is going to equal, I'm pretty sure I wrote it down somewhere over here. Where did I write it down? Alright, maybe I didn't, but from obviously the logic, we can tell that both cars are going to be shooting this way. They're going to have the same angle and the same velocity. So we can say m1 on this is on momentum on the x, m1 vx f plus m2 vx f, and then we're going to have to get the cosine of that in order to get the right answer, because obviously the velocity is not completely horizontal. It is at an angle, therefore it's going a little slower than it would on the horizontal. And for the momentum on the y, it's going to be pretty much the same thing, but we're going to have the y's, and this is going to be sine theta, and it's going to be the same thing, shooting out at the same angle. And from the previous things, we already know that pxi equals pxf, and pxi equals, I know I have it here somewhere. It's this one. 1100 times 23, 25, and my pyi was going to be 30, what? 32.5. So from this information, we know our masses, we know our angle. Now we can just plug in stuff. So my pxi will go into my pxf, my py will go over here. It's going to be for the x, and we can factor out the vxf right there and make that the unknown, m1 plus m2 plus sine theta. And we can plug in everything we know now. 1100 plus 1300 cosine 0.1. Take this to the bottom. 2400 cosine 1 equal VXF. So let's figure that out. 25 divided by 400 cosine 0.1. This is going to equal 17.16 second on the x. And we can do the same thing with the y. M1 VYF. Once again, we can factor out the velocity. And we can plug in what we know. Now we take that to the bottom, and the same thing, but with the sign and obviously different momentum up here. And now we can divide through sine 52.1. That's gonna equal, oh my gosh, hold on. exact same thing. Wait, not the exact same thing. It's a little bit off. It's gonna be 17.608 and like 17.1612 over. That's weird. But I am pretty sure I'm right on this. However, yeah, that's the VXF and the BYF, but it is asking for just the velocity of both cars, so we gotta square both of these and use the Pythagorean theorem. And my actual velocity is going to be 24.269 meters per second. So we've solved the problem. The final velocity 24.269 and the angle 52.1.